Money making made simple. Making money online is easy. That is if you know how. Basically, there are 3 ways to make money online. 1. You can sell your own products. 2. Sell your own service. 3. Sell other people's products or service. What I am going to be focusing on here in this video is the third model. Selling other people's products or services, which is also known as affiliate marketing. Let us start by answering the question, what is affiliate marketing? Well, affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to earn passive income online. Simply put, affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's product or service. Whether it be through your own website, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube or some other means, whereby you provide your visitors with a clickable link which leads to a retailer's website. And if a purchase is made through that link, you receive a commission at no cost to the customer who clicks the link and makes the purchase. Affiliate marketing is a revenue-sharing venture, where you, the affiliate, drives traffic to a vendor's website in exchange for referral commissions. When a visitor to your site clicks on the affiliate link that leads to the vendor's site and completes a purchase, you get a commission on every item they buy. What an arrangement, right? You don't have to manufacture anything, store anything, ship anything, deal with returns, refunds, nothing. All you have to do is promote other people's products or services, that's it. What if I were to tell you that I have got the mother of all affiliate marketing systems? That can save you a ton of time and effort, and make you a ton of money? Well, the good news for you is, I do. With this invitation-only system, you will receive a lot of hand-holding to walk you through setting up the system step by step with both written and video guidance. No worries, I got you covered. The system I am talking about is Funnel X ROI. To get your foot in the door, all you need to do is sign up for the Easy One Up program, which is one of the 5 money streams available under the umbrella system known as Funnel X ROI system. Easy One Up is all about empowering you to be the very best entrepreneur you can be, by teaching you how to build your own business and keeping you abreast of the latest trends in the online marketplace. Easy One Up is a direct sales opportunity where little effort on your part is required. The system does most of the work for you. You see, you have just stumbled upon a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. A real life-changing offer. You have an awesome chance to take advantage of an invitation-only offer to become a member of an unbelievable tried-and-true money-making system that really works. With this brilliant and unbelievable system, you can, if not instantly, quickly increase your income and fulfill your dreams. This remarkable system allows you to get fast results, profiting very quickly. I urge you to seize this opportunity, which can definitely change the trajectory of your future for the better. The only requirement to become a member of Easy One Up is a small one-time investment of $25 plus a $5 administration fee. Surely you can afford to make a $30 investment into yourself for a chance of a lifetime. What are you waiting for? Act now by clicking on the link below in the description to get started today. Right now. This exclusive invitation-only offer is worth the investment into yourself and into your future. Take the first step by clicking the link in the description below. Get started today. Why wait? Easy One Up.